Alright, so this week is Chapter 2, Connecting to the WAN. First, we gotta know what a WAN is, and a WAN is a wide area network. You have all your different areas of the network right here, all connected into one. They're owned by service providers, and you must pay the service provider a fee to use their services. We use WANs because our little local area networks are very small, and we need to have branch offices, regional offices. They have to be able to share data with each other in a central site, and employees who travel need to access their information from the company. So we have a number of different types of WANs. First, we're going to go over small office. Here we have an example of a little small office with a few employees in it. We have broadband access. This is a single LAN for sharing internet access. And we have campus networks, which is your big, multiple floor, hundreds of employees. And you have your different areas, like here's engineering, finance, marketing. And we have branch networks, which go all over to different buildings. And a distributed network, which goes all over. To this little activity right here, this would be a campus network. We have our WAN services in the OSI model. They lie at the data link and physical layer, and they have these technologies that they utilize. So you have HDLC, PPP, all of this. There's some common devices in a WAN. We have the dial-up modem, which is a legacy device. It converts the digital signals from the computer into voice frequencies. Access server. This concentrates dial-up modem. Broadband modem. This is connected through your high-speed DSL cable internet. CSU, DSU, digital leased lines. WAN switch. Multi-port internetworking device for the service provider. And we have your routers, which is your internetworking, and your core multi-layer switch, which connects to your router there. Okay, so we have different terminology here. We have CPE, customer premises equipment. That is all the devices in the wiring closet. We have our data communications. This is devices that put data on a local loop. They provide interface to connect subscribers to a link on the cloud. Data terminal equipment. Customer devices that pass data from a customer network over the wide area network. Demarcation point. This is a point in a building to separate customer equipment and service provider equipment. Local loop is copper or fiber cable of the service provider. A central office is your local service provider building. And toll network is long-haul fiber optic communication lines and other equipment inside the network. Okay, so we have a little activity here in the terminology I just talked about. Cabling that connects CPE would be local loop. Equipment inside the WAN provider network would be the toll network. Interface would be, come back to that one. So separates customer equipment from service provider equipment. That device owned or leased is a customer. Connect to local loop to the DC.